Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to set up your booking change status actions. To access the diary settings, start from the diary screen and click on the settings button in the top right corner. In the settings screen, click on the diary settings tab to open the diary settings. Diary settings are set per diary to customize the program to the specific needs of the user. Please ensure you are on the correct diary before making changes. Navigate down and click on the booking status change actions. Perform an action in response to a booking status change panel to expand the settings. The status is the situation of the booking at a particular time during the booking process. Example: booked, arrived, treated, ready, done. An action can be set as soon as the booking reaches a certain status. For example, if the booking status is changed to arrived, the action can force the user to add the patient as a debtor. Click and select the action from the drop-down menu in accordance to the status that you would like to perform when the status changes. The pop-up checkbox will make the chosen action pop up: add debtor, validate patient, etc., in order for the user to continue with the next step in the process. This saves time and ensures the practice's patient flow runs smoothly. When satisfied with the setup of the actions, click on the Save button to save your changes.